Hello dear students, welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the maths class. This class is for standard 1st, semi-English, Urdu. Dear students, are you enjoying this math class? I know you are enjoying now. Very good. So, let's learn maths with more fun. Are you ready? तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं. डियर व्यूअर्स, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न द न्यू कंसेप्ट इन आउट. टिक ऑन द पिक्चर्स इन द सर्कल. Which pictures are there in the circle? You have to tick them out. Balloon. The balloons are in the circle. There is a ball in the circle. There are bananas in the circle. And these shoes are in the circle. These things are in the circle. And this boy is out of the circle. These blocks are out of the circle. And these books are out of the circle. This is in and this is out. These things are in the circle and these things are out the circle. Understood? Very good. So dear students, in yani andar, out yani bahar. Remember this? In yani andar, out means bahar. Isn't it? Very good. Look at this picture. This dog is out of the house and this dog is in the house. So, we have to match the correct in and out pair. This dog is in the house and this dog is out of the house. What the spelling of in? In, O-U-T, out. In, O-U-T, out. Understood? Very good. So dear students, look at this next picture. This is from your textbook. This spoon is in the glass and this spoon is out of the glass. In, out. In, O-U-T, out. Learn the spelling of in, out. In, O-U-T, out. You have to color the box below the picture showing puppy in the basket. In the first picture, the puppy is out of the basket and in this picture, the puppy is in the basket. So, we will color below this picture. Understood? Very good. See the next picture. Color the box below the picture showing a man outside the car. In which picture the man is outside the car? In the first picture, the man is in the car, and in the second picture, the man is outside the car. So we have to color the box below the man outside the car. We will color to this box. Understood? Very good. In, out. So dear students, I hope you understood the concept of in and out. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Thanks for watching.